We've been looking for a scanner for quite some time now, and the last conversation that we had with our sister in Japan, she let us know that she actually had a scanner that she wasn't using. They had bought it and never used it, as I believe they bought one of those all-in-one type printer scanners. So she was just sitting in our office in Japan. So the last time she visited us a few months ago, she brought it over for us to have. So now we are doing a box opening of this scanner, and we've used it quite a lot actually since this box opening. And it's really come in handy being able to scan documents and photographs and things that we weren't able to do before. And the last time that we had a scanner was about 20 years ago. So now this is not a new scanner. I'm not even sure if you can still find it on the market, but it did come with a CD player for the driver installation, and it came with all Japanese instructions. So we weren't sure if it was going to work here, but I was able to find a driver on the Canon.ca website, and it works perfectly fine. So I hope you enjoy this video. It's a very easy scanner to use.